Polkadot is one of those cryptocurrencies that started on a bleak note. Launched in 2017, the crypto has come from a vague idea of a decentralized web to become the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of about $35 billion. Polkadot picked on the recent bull run that excited the entire cryptocurrency market and soared 353% from January to hit its current all-time high of $42. This saw it elbowing rivals like Ripple's XRP out of the way as it seeks to claim a spot among the most popular cryptocurrencies right now. Although Polkadot was invariably plagued by losses in the past, it has now gained popularity as it picks up momentum on its quest to decentralize the web by enabling blockchains to connect and interact with each other. Will the price of Polkadot rise this year? Is it a good investment? If you are looking to add this new crypto to your portfolio, we will provide the answers in this guide you need to make an educated decision. Gavin Wood, an Ethereum co-founder, created the Polkadot protocol to help develop a superlative realization of Web3. According to Gavin, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum might be exposed to several sharding problems, especially after the launch of Ethereum 2.0. Sharding is a complex scaling solution that is used by Ethereum. This is where the entire Ethereum network is split into several portions known as shards, with each shard having its own independent state. That is a unique set of smart contracts and account balances. Polkadot is, therefore, aimed at supporting the development of Web 3.0 by decentralizing the World Wide Web. It capitalizes on the same technology that is used by Ethereum. That is, allowing other developers to launch and operate dApps on top of its existing platform. The Polkadot project is currently developed and controlled by the Switzerland-based Web3 Foundation. The foundation reports that Polkadot is being uniquely developed to enable for. Polkadot is powered by its own cryptocurrency known as the DOT token. The token is mostly used by the network for governance, staking, and bonding. Here is what these mean. While most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin require hard forks to introduce new features or fix bugs, Polkadot can be upgraded normally like a regular application. It is also worth noting that Polkadot is being developed alongside its canary network, known as Kusama. The Kusama network uses the same code as Polkadot and is mostly used to test new features for Polkadot. While they use the same technology right now, the two networks might have to develop independently in the future. Polkadot price history. Polkadot had a successful ICO in October 2017, a year after it was launched. The project was able to raise more than $140 million and $485,331 ETH tokens. More than half of Polkadot's $10 million stock was sold during the initial coin offering. This turned out to be one of the most successful ICOs in the history of cryptocurrencies. There were high expectations, and one DOT token was worth $30 during the ICO. This is very close to the current all-time high that the coin achieved years later. The ICO excitement soon died, and the price dramatically dropped to less than $7 as soon as Polkadot started trading. Thereafter, the company wobbled through losses that forced it to contact two private sales rounds in 2019 and July 2020. According to CoinDesk, the crypto also recently raised about $43 million in about 72 hours. This drove the price to about $6, but then dropped again in August 2020 to about $2.83. However, by the end of the same month, the price had shot up again to above $6 according to data from CoinMarketCap. From there, the price fluctuated between $4 and $6 from September to November before shooting to $7.42 on December 31, 2020. The price kept rising and hit $10 in January as the coin joined the market-wide bull run that kicked off at the start of the year. As most cryptocurrencies began breaking new records, Polkadot wasn't left behind. And by January 21st, it had jumped to $17. It slightly dropped by the end of January, then suddenly surged and had doubled by mid-February 2021. At the start of March, Polkadot hit its current all-time high of $42 before dropping to about $36 again by mid-March. The DOT is currently trading around this price. Polkadot price predictions for 2021. After the bullish momentum that picked up at the start of 2021, most people are beginning to wonder whether they should add Polkadot to their portfolio. Given its past stagnant growth, most investors are a bit hesitant with this digital asset. We are here to provide the answers and help you make an informed decision. While the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, we can still get a general idea of price direction. We do this by looking at the various forecasts and also Polkadot's price history. Already, industry experts and crypto platforms have come out to give their predictions of how Polkadot might finish 2021. As usual, the predictions are a mixed bag, with some saying the bullish trend might continue for some time while others think DOT will struggle to reach $50 this year. Digital Coin Price predicts that Polkadot might go as high as $60 in 2021. Otherwise, if the current trend doesn't hold, the coin might finish the year at close to $50. The site reports that there will be an obvious fluctuation between the two figures, driving Polkadot in a series of peaks and drops before the year finally comes to an end. Digital Coin Price has been previously overly bullish on its Polkadot predictions, so it's safer to bet on its yearly low prediction of $50 by the end of 2021. For instance, the site predicted at the start of the year that DOT would hit $57.43 by February. That number is significantly higher than what we saw in February. This, however, does not invalidate its predictions going forward. Despite the inaccuracy in these predictions, they still paint the general idea that there is a positive outlook for Polkadot this year. Wallet Investor is even more bullish and expects the DOT token to surge this year with low volatility levels along the way until March 2022. The site predicts that Polkadot will increase by about $4-5 monthly to cross over $70 by the end of 2021. Long forecast bumps Wallet Investor's predictions further and pins the price of Polkadot by the end of the year at $88.78. If predictions from these sites are anything to go by, we can expect to see Polkadot more than double the current figures by the end of the year. Based on these trends, the DOT coin might also hit new all-time highs every month to make this one of its most successful years and potentially dethrone Cardano's ADA from the 5th position by year-end. Polkadot price predictions 2022 to 2023. Short-term predictions for this year are easier to pull off despite the volatility issues. However, when we have to predict the prices of cryptocurrencies for the next 2 or 3 years, it can be a tough gamble. However, Polkadot hasn't shown any wild volatilities apart from the regular spikes and troughs. So, maybe we could be able to give a general outlook of price action in the next 2 years. Long forecast is very optimistic that DOT will finish 2022 at close to $80. The site, which has seen revised its previous bullish predictions, believes that the coin with a start of 2022 at around $76.22, which is a slight increase from what it might trade at the end of 2021. From February to May, Polkadot will stagnate in the $79 mark below, dropping to $69 in June. It will then again jump to $79 until September, where it goes to $73 before finishing the year at $79. This looks like a lot of guesswork. The stability in these predictions throughout the year might not be consistent with the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, making these projections a bit vague. However, the stability in 2022 signaled by long forecasts seems to spread across the other prediction platforms, although the prices are different. For instance, Wallet Investor predicts that Polkadot will gradually increase from $89 to $162 from January to December 2022, with no drops along the way. This is a bit unreal and maybe overly bullish. So far, we have not seen a cryptocurrency that rises throughout the year without any fluctuations. Polkadot itself has already shown that it is capable of unpredictable fluctuations from its price history.